Hello and welcome to another video. This is the Earfun Free Pro, packed with stuff like active noise cancelling, Bluetooth 5.2, low latency mode for gaming, and a lot more. I haven't tried any of Earfun's products before, but this sure looks interesting. The box itself looks nice and professional, with all the expected information around it. On the top of the back is an overview of the accessories, and under is a nice list of specifications. Inside the box we first find the charging case, and above is written "Better sound, better life." And I couldn't agree more. So inside we have a user manual in a few different languages, so we should find anything we need to use them in here. I like how Earfun packed the accessories, as everything is fixed to a plastic plate, instead of laying loose or in separate plastic bags. Let's get everything off so we can have a closer look at it. For charging we get a USB Type-C to standard USB cable, so we can charge it from a PC, power bank or any other powered USB connector. The charging case also has wireless charging, so you may not need this cable at all. There are 3 sets of extra rubber buds included, and since there's already rubber buds on the earphones, we have a total of 4 sets. They're also soft and quite comfortable to wear. These are ear hooks for making sure the earbuds stay securely in the ear, even during activities. There's also a smaller set already attached to the earphones, so we have 2 different sizes to choose from. The case itself is made of plastic, and on the front is one LED light. Around the back is a USB connector for charging. Under are some specifications, and this case has a 400 mAh battery that is supposed to give us up to 25 hours of extra battery life. If we include the battery of the earphones, the total is 32 hours. Remember to remove the protective plastic from the case and the earphones before charging them. It's a nice looking and very compact case. Actually, I'm a bit surprised by how light it is, and it will easily fit in any pocket. The weight is only 42 grams. The earbuds are also very compact and light at only 4.1 grams. They may not be the best looking earbuds I've seen, but they look nice enough. Around the back we find the charging connectors, and as you may have noticed, they don't have in-ear sensors. But ear hooks are very welcome. They're soft and nice to use, but as with most ear hooks, they may cause some discomfort if they're used for longer periods. If the standard size is too small, they can be replaced with the other ones that came in the box. Same goes for the rubber tips. They're easy to get off and put back on. If you use your earbuds outside in the rain, you'll be happy to know they are rated IPX5, so rain and sweat is no problem. Let's have a look at the pairing process. All we need to do is open the lid and find the earbuds on the phone, so there's no need to take them out. Let's also do a quick test to see how fast they reconnect after being disconnected. That's fast enough, so nothing to complain about here. As I said earlier, the case has wireless charging, so I use my phone or a power bank to charge it. Charging wirelessly takes about 3.5 hours. Charging with a cable is of course also possible, and it's faster at 2 hours. This case also supports fast charging of the earbuds, so 10 minutes of charging gives us up to 2 hours of playtime, and a full charge takes up to 1 hour. I did my usual battery tests where I play at the highest volume I can before it gets uncomfortable. With the Earfun Free Pro, that level was at 60 to 70%, so they go very high. With a full charge and active noise cancelling on, I got between 6 and 6.5 hours. With ANC switched off, I got about 7 hours. After emptying the batteries in the case and the earphones, I got a total of 31 hours, and that's at loud volume. They can also be used in single mode, which will increase the total playtime a lot. There's no physical buttons on the Earfun Free Pro, but there are some under this video, so make sure to click the subscribe button and the bell to get notified when I post new videos. The front of the earbuds are touch sensitive and the controls work very well. We can double tap to play and pause, triple tap the right one to switch to the next song, but it's not possible to go back, which is a bit strange. Triple tapping the left one changes the ANC modes. Volume can be raised or lowered by single tapping the left or right earbud. Tap and hold should continue to raise or lower the volume, but I didn't get it to work properly. Holding the right one will open the assistant, and holding the left one will switch on or off low latency mode. When switching between the different ANC modes, a voice will confirm which mode is active.
Ambient sound. Normal. Low latency on.
The noise cancelling works well and blocks out most of the ambient sound, but not all. Ambient sound mode makes it possible to hear the background noise while wearing the earphones. And the normal means ANC is switched completely off. When it comes to call quality, these earphones do not disappoint. The voice is clear even with some background noise, and they do a good job blocking out noises. Here's a couple samples so you can hear for yourself. This is a microphone test for the Earfun Free Pro. I'm in a silent area, so you can hear what it sounds like without any background noise. I'm now in an area with some traffic noise in the background, so you can hear what it sounds like when it's not all silent. I'm now driving around in my car with the windows closed, so you can hear what it sounds like while driving. Regarding latency, they're very good and is not noticeable in videos while using YouTube or Netflix. If you watch live streams, the low latency mode can be switched on to reduce the delay. This mode is also good for gaming, but as always with Bluetooth earbuds, the delay is noticeable. It is usable though, so I did enjoy using them while playing PUBG. Wearing the Earfun Free Pro is a pleasure, as they are comfortable to wear for long periods. The ear hooks helps holding them in place, even during activities, and I didn't experience any discomfort or fatigue. Each person may have a different experience though, since our ears are different. Regarding sound quality, they deliver as promised. The codec used is AAC and SPC, and they have 6.1mm dual composite dynamic drivers. Sound is spacious and the dynamic range is very nice. Vocals come through clearly with a good separation to instruments and between instruments. I would say the sound is on a neutral level, as I don't experience it as cold or warm. Highs are bright and nice, without going too high or having any discomfortable sounds. Mids are clear without anything weird going on, and the lows go deep with a good, nice rumble. Bass is also surprisingly powerful, and more powerful than many bigger earbuds I've tried. It's actually very good and doesn't drown out the rest of the sound. Overall, I would say the sound quality is well balanced and close to being fantastic. To summarize a bit, the Earfun Free Pro has good battery life at 6 to 7 hours at high volumes. Touch controls work well, but take a little bit time to get used to. Active noise cancelling is good and does not lower music quality. Ambient sound mode works well, but could be a bit better. Microphone quality is good for calls, even with some background noise. I love the sound quality and how the powerful bass is handled, and they are comfortable to wear for long periods. They may not be the best looking earbuds out there, but the sound quality is very good. This sounds like a bargain to me, so the Earfun Free Pro gets a thumbs up. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.